Hi, to set training plans on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, make sure that your watch is connected to the phone via Bluetooth and that is connected to this Garmin Connect app as well. To check this, go in the app, then select More tab on the bottom of the page. Here, choose Garmin devices and make sure you can see the name of your device with the included status connected. Now to set training plan, we will need to go in the section Training and Planning. Here choose Garmin Coach Plans, and after that we can find a plan, so let's do it. I'm gonna accept terms and conditions and select type of sport. I prefer running, so let's select it. And now we need to tell about weekly routine, so we need to set average weekly distance and average pace. Let's go in distance and set something random and do just the same with pace and go to the next step. Here you need to select distance. I just select this first option and then select goal. I'm gonna choose run and walk and let's go next. And now you can see recommended plans from which you can select something. For example, let's choose the first one. For that, I'm gonna tap select plan. Here you would see key features, how it works, and you can immediately set up this plan. And after that, you will need to set schedule. For that, just put check mark on days you wanna train. So I wanna work out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And let's set the schedule. And here, when would you prefer your long one? Let's select Monday and tap the next button. And how to end plan with race. Let's tap the next button. And here you need to find a race event. If you couldn't find anything, you can create one by tapping it. Let's tap the next button. Here we can add or don't add location and set a date for the goal. Just tap the next button and this is the information about your plan, so just review it carefully and if everything is alright, tap button create plan. And now it is loading and plan created. So just tap got it and now you should see your plan in this calendar tab. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.